Is your Tesla Model S trunk refusing to open or close? Don't panic. This video will guide you through common causes and fixes, covering everything from software glitches to hardware malfunctions. We'll explore power liftgate issues, latch problems, and emergency release options to get your trunk working again. First, let's go over the common causes. Several factors can cause a Model S trunk to malfunction. These include software glitches, especially after updates, a faulty power liftgate mechanism like the actuator or motor, a malfunctioning latch system, sensor misalignment, or even just a dead 12-volt battery. Wear and tear, especially on older models pre-2021, can also contribute. Let's explore each of these issues in detail. Before diving into hardware fixes, start with a simple software reset. This often resolves liftgate issues caused by glitches. Navigate to the Service menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. In the Service menu, look for specific options like Power Liftgate Calibration or Reset. These functions recalibrate the liftgate motor and sensors, fixing alignment issues. Next, ensure your Tesla's software is current. Updates to version 12.3.x or later include fixes for liftgate problems. Check for updates in the Settings menu. A recent recall, NHTSA campaign number 23V695, affected Model S liftgates. Tesla resolved this with a software update that recalibrated the motor and improved diagnostics. If the trunk is completely unresponsive due to power failure, software glitches, or a dead battery, you'll need to use the emergency release mechanism. Locate the emergency release lever, which is typically found inside the trunk compartment or in the front area of your Model S. For the Model S, the emergency release is a cable pull mechanism. Simply pull the handle or cable to disengage the latch, allowing you to manually open the trunk. This manual override is crucial for accessing items inside your vehicle when the power liftgate system fails due to any reason. The Tesla Model S power liftgate latch system uses Hall effect sensors to confirm when the trunk is securely closed. These sensors detect magnetic fields to ensure proper engagement of the motorized latch. If sensors become misaligned or faulty, the trunk may appear stuck even when it should open or close normally. First, try manually pressing down firmly on the trunk lid to ensure the latch engages properly. This simple action can realign the sensors and clear minor alignment issues without needing tools. If manual pressing doesn't work, disconnect the car's 12-volt auxiliary battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the entire system. This clears any temporary software glitches in the latch control module. Always follow proper safety procedures when working with vehicle electrical systems. Alternatively, locate the 30-ampere liftgate fuse in the vehicle's fuse box and remove it for exactly 10 seconds before replacing it. This power cycle can reset the liftgate motor and clear minor software-related issues. Check your Model S owner's manual for the exact fuse location. These temporary fixes can often resolve minor software glitches in the latch system. However, if problems persist, contact Tesla Service for diagnostic assistance, as hardware issues may require professional repair. When diagnosing power liftgate problems, start by examining the actuators and motors. The actuator is the mechanical component that moves the trunk lid up and down, powered by an electric motor. Common signs of actuator or motor failure include unusual noises during operation, such as grinding or whining sounds, or complete lack of response when trying to open or close the trunk. Tesla's mobile app now includes AI-driven diagnostics that can analyze your liftgate system remotely. The app can detect issues with actuators and motors by reviewing sensor data and vehicle logs. If the diagnostics confirm an actuator or motor issue, replacement typically requires a Tesla service center visit. Schedule an appointment through the app, providing detailed information about the symptoms to help technicians prepare. For hardware issues like a faulty latch, actuator, or motor, contacting Tesla Service is your best bet. These components require professional diagnosis and repair. Many repairs are covered under warranty, especially for newer Model S vehicles. Tesla's warranty typically covers defects in materials and workmanship for several years. Tesla's service centers have seen a 70% drop in Liftgate-related complaints following the 2024 updates and fixes. Also, check your Tesla app for diagnostic alerts. The app may provide key information to help Tesla technicians resolve the problem quickly. To contact Tesla service, visit a service center or schedule an appointment online. Their certified technicians can handle warranty repairs and complex hardware issues. Looking ahead, Tesla is focusing on predictive maintenance. Future updates may include features that alert owners to potential latch wear before it becomes a problem. Tesla's software will use AI to analyze drive data and vibration sensors, sending notifications when maintenance is needed. This proactive approach will help prevent trunk issues before they occur. To keep your trunk in good working order, follow these simple preventative steps. First, regularly clean the latch area to remove dirt and debris that can interfere with the mechanism. Use a soft cloth and mild cleaner. Second, never force the trunk open or closed. This can damage the actuator or latch. If it's stuck, use the emergency release instead. Third, always keep your Tesla's software updated. Over-the-air updates often include improvements to the power liftgate system. For older Model S vehicles, consider proactive maintenance. As Tesla focuses on newer models like the Cybertruck and Model 3, support for older units may decline over time.